Just as many people don't know where Oz comes from or don't have no idea that you are of Turkish descent, they also have no idea that you are Muslim. You're from a very strong Muslim tradition. How does the Muslim religion affect your identity or sense of yourself?
You know, I've struggled a lot with my Muslim identity, in part because within my family there were two very different perspectives on it. My mother's family is a very secular family. They're very proud that they're secular Turks. And by that I mean, and for people who don't study how religion plays roles in other countries, in America we have gotten very comfortable with the division of church and state. Our religion is very dear to us, it's precious to us, but we don't look to our political leaders to give us religious insights. That is a departure from the norm in Islam. Islam is a religion, but it's a law. And so it is very often, in fact, in almost every country but Turkey, they are integrated. So your political leaders are your religious leaders. And so in Turkey, there was a separation made. It was a very painful event. The caliphate, who was the pope of the Muslims, was thrown out of Turkey. Imagine deposing the pope in order to free your country to grow, which is what Ataturk had as a vision. And so my mother's family are very strong secularists. They're religious people, but in privacy. They never flaunt it, they never talk about it. It's frankly none of your business, in their opinion, that they happen to be Muslim. In fact, they don't care what you are. And historically, Turkey, the Ottoman Empire, was all about that. If you look at the history of the Jews, for example, the fact that in 1492, when Columbus was sailing the ocean blue, the Spaniards were kicking all the Jews out, and they came to Turkey, many of them. And they lived there for hundreds of years, these ancient, beautiful cemeteries in Turkey that are all in Hebrew. I can't read any of the letters. They had a very strong culture there. They were welcome to Turkey because Turkey, Istanbul, was a meritocracy. The country respected the ability of Jews and Christians to come and thrive in Istanbul. And that, I think, is what my mother's side of the family revered. They felt, and even the Nazis, when they were persecuting the Jews in the Second World War, they fled to Istanbul.